Put glasses on your eyes and that will work as a headphones, and you will not need a mobile phone or camera to take pictures or videos. Recently RayBan has brought us smart glasses to the market, with which you can listen to music, take pictures or videos. Listening to music, online meetings, video calls or street noise, the use of headphones has increased these days to get rid of everything, which has more harm than good. But maybe the era of headphones is about to end. Meta and RayBan jointly launched the second generation smart glasses, which include phone calls, listening to music and live streaming, all the latest technologies. These fancy glasses are named RayBan Meta Smart Glasses. Although it is a fashion for many people, most of the people use glasses for the sake of necessity. Necessity and technology, these two have come together in these smart glasses, which can be called many in one. With Amazon's Eco Frames and Bose Tempo audio system, the wearer of the glasses will only hear the audio. Meta Smart Glasses have 5 sensitive microphones to ensure high-quality calls and voice commands. This glass uses Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Generation 1 is used in the processor. One of the best features of this new smart glass of Meta is 12 megapixels wide-angle camera. With a capacity of 32 GB for image and video storage, it will easily synchronize with the Meta app and post directly to Facebook and Instagram, which is great news for instant content creators. Available in headliner and classic Wayfarer styles with matte jeans and caramel colors. These smart glasses will run for 4 to 6 hours on a single charge. Smart watch, after smartphone, now comes smart glasses. Being smart in the age of smart is now the demand of the time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please, stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.